let me set someone free. Today we're gonna be playing. Yeah, I'm trying to be recording so much. I'm gonna be playing a Minecraft skin. Whoa, the lag. There we go. Let's play slime ball. Team blue. Oh yeah. You know what it's playing? They're actually gonna be playing some Draw My Thing. This might be a two-parter though. Just telling you. They only have 10 minutes to record. It's kind of unfortunate. So we'll play extra time. Let me go get my pal, the queen. You probably already know the Minecraft flow by be. If you don't, it's on the top of the screen right now. Let me turn off my iPad. Close that. Probably can't even see that. Okay, what is it? Television. Canoe. Oh. Sunrise. Sunny the sun. Acid. Okay, back to topic. Sponge. Nah. This would live with black moss. Now there's a line to it. Book. That can't be a book. Brown? That makes it 10 times more harder. Okay. Yellow. Huh? Elevator. Kind of makes sense. Down and dry. What is it doing? What's that mean? You may get hate in the comment that clearly is right thing. I'm 9. Lol. Lol, lol, lol. What? Ham. Crap. Oh, this is gonna suck. This might turn out good. There we go. Someone guessed it. Whoa. Yeah, this is pretty clear. Yay, yay. Yeah. I know. Now what are you doing? So close. Poop. Yeah. Red. Cookie. This. Well, that just happened again. That moment is number 2 on the channel. I should really make a depth skin. I do it all the time. Fuck. Okay. You have to get used to that moment. If you don't like dirt moments, this is not the channel for you. Most people like dirt moments. Okay. Shoot. See. What? No, that just made it something hard. What is that? That's enter the G. Yelling. Kind of makes sense. Oh. Here. Plus it down. I know, spell it wrong. What? I will have to cut this video short and damn it. At a short of time. I don't have enough time. That's gonna be 10 minutes soon. Well, stay tuned for part 2. Okay, we'll be coming to you with part 2 very soon.